Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial. Today we're going to show you how you perform a firmware update on your VLF high voltage test set. First we prepare the device for the update. For that we remove the HVA USB flash adapter. Then we start up the device. We turn the key switch to the on position. Now we can read the current firmware version installed on the device from the display. We then go into the instrument settings and set USB flash to no. That means that the serial port can now be accessed for the firmware update. We now connect the device to the PC using the appropriate adapter. There are two options, either the RS-232 to USB adapter or the RS-232 to fiber optic to USB adapter. The RS-232 to USB adapter is included in the standard scope of delivery. Now we go to the PC and start the update wizard. You can obtain the necessary update files from our technical support team. In the update wizard we now set the COM port to which our device is connected. If you don't know the default setting, check it in the Windows Device Manager under Ports. Press then the Select File button and then load the corresponding I/O file. Now everything is prepared for the update procedure and you can press Next. For the latest information on hardware and software, please contact our technical support team. Attention! Please ensure that the connection is not interrupted during the update. After the update is successfully finished, you can press Next. You have now finished the update. After successful update, restart your device. If you want to use the USB adapter again, don't forget to set the USB flash back to yes in the instrument settings. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website, and if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.